leaving behind every heavy load. The city's humming like a fading ghost. I'm heading where I need it most. No map in my hand, no clock on the wall. I'm letting the silence take it all. Just the pulse in my chest and the open sky. I've never felt so alive. I'm dancing with the wind in the wide open space, lost in the rhythm, finding my place. Just me and the earth and the stars up above, learning how to fall in solo love. Solo love. It's a big wide world, and I'm perfectly fine walking on this golden line. The mountains whisper secrets in my ear. There's nothing left for me to fear. No one to please, no part to play. I'm melting into the light of day. The grass is cool beneath my feet. The solitude feels bittersweet. I'm not lonely, I'm just free. Finally meeting the real version of me. No echoes, no shadows, no crowd in the way. Just the magic of a brand new day. I'm dancing with the wind in the wide open space, lost in the rhythm, finding my place. Just me and the earth and the stars up above, learning how to fall in solo love. Solo love. It's a big wide world, and I'm perfectly fine walking on this golden